Welcome to WollyCode. Let's diving installing Unity on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, head over to the Unity website. You can find the link in the description below. Now click on the download. Now click Download for Windows or explore the different Unity plans. Click Save. Now open Unity Hub. Click I agree to Unity Terms of Service. Select your preferred installation location and then click Install. Since I've already installed Unity, I'll skip this step and open Unity Hub. Before using Unity Hub, you'll need to sign in. Or if you're new to Unity, you can create an account. Since I've already have an account, I click on a sign-in. You can create an account or sign in with your email. Once signed in, click on Open Unity Hub. Now you signed in with Unity Hub. Open Settings. In the Projects tab, you can set the project location. In the Install tab, you can set the Unity install location. In the Licenses tab, you can see your current active license. But you can add a new license by click on Add button. You can get a free license by clicking Get a free personal license. Now close Settings. Now, click on Installs. Here, you can see all your installed Unity versions. Now, click Install Editor. You can choose Archive, Pre-releases and Official releases. You can download old versions of Unity by clicking on Download Archive. Here, you can download any version of Unity from Unity 5 to the latest by clicking on Unity Hub button. Now, let's go back to Unity Hub. Now click on Official Releases. It's recommended to use the Official Release LTS. Let's click on Unity 2021 LTS Install. You can choose from a variety of platforms such as Android, iOS, Linux, Mac, Windows, or WebGL. Once you've made your selections, click Install to downloading and installing the Unity. Now, Unity is installed. Click on Project tab. Click New Project. From here select Unity Editor version you want to use. Here, you can see different templates to start with. Universal Rendering Pipeline, URP, which most optimized graphics for wide range of platform. Test Track Template to customize the rigging and controller for a car. High Definition Render Pipeline HDRP helps you to create high-fidelity games. Cinematic Studio is creation of films, TV shows. To start, create a new project, choose a template based on your project requirement. For this testing, let's select the 3D sample scene, URP template. Now, it's time to configure your project. Enter a name for your project. For testing, let's name it a WollyCode project. Next, specify the location where you want to save your project files. Select the Unity Cloud organization you created when setting up your account. For now, leave the rest of the options unchecked as we're just testing. Finally, click on a Create Project. This process may take some time to complete. And there you have it. Your project has been successfully created. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to WollyCode for more tutorials on game development and Unity tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into Unity development. You can also follow us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes content. Thanks again for watching and happy game developing.